I've got a vintage Singer model 1591 from 1952. Serial number is AL246099. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. Got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for photo used in the ad. You can see our light does work. You tap it, it doesn't flutter. It's slow and fast. And there we can see it's got an equal stitch on both sides. Next I've got 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. Again, the same thing. These were already stitched once. And you can see that's got an equal stitch. And then finally 4 layers of thin vinyl, or sorry, thin leather. This is typically found on dress jackets, leather dress jackets. There you can see equal stitch both sides too.